Have you been waiting to have your old kitchen refurbish and looking like brand new with a modern color without spending a fortune? Well, look no further, help is here. Here is what can be done. Number 1. You can have all of kitchen door removed by yourself and take them to be sanded prime and sprayed in your desired color. After which you can rehang the doors yourself. Number 2. We can come in and remove the doors, have them all sanded, primed and sprayed, sand the body of the cabinet, prime and sprayed. Number 3. All countertops, regardless of the type, can be repaired or repolished and restored back to its beauty. It's just that easy on your part and or your budget. There you have it. A brand new looking kitchen for very little cost. And by the way, we can replace any damaged cabinet, tops or bottom, including the island and bars. For more information, contact the experienced tradesman at 1721 553 3208.